Exploring Statistics activities in WebAssign for decision science courses are designed to help students understand the key concepts covered in each chapter. These activities require students to answer a series of multiple choice questions, and in order to correctly answer these questions, students have to interact with visual demonstrations of the topics covered in each chapter. For example, estimating a regression line. Another example is a confidence interval. By getting students to manipulate and explore these tools, students can start to get a better understanding of these important topics and how they relate to each other in every chapter. Each problem also includes a separate Watch It video. These Watch It videos, again, are another tool or resource to help students understand what exactly is going on in each one of these particular concepts. Each one of these Exploring Statistics Applets walkthrough videos are closed captions and have transcripts for ADA compliance.